how to log in into your Bitcoin wallet account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to log in into your Bitcoin wallet account. So in order to log in into your Bitcoin wallet account, what you have to do is you just have to go and install the application, or you could also use an application, or you could also use a web browser. So I'm using a web browser, so type in bitcoin.com. So when you type in bitcoin.com, it's going to take you to their official page. So here what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and press on get app, and after you're done installing the application, you would go ahead and press the login button. So here you can see this is how it's going to look like. So press the gear icon and go to sign in, and here you could go ahead and sign in either with your Google or an email address. So I'm going to go ahead and manually enter in or type in my email address and click the next button, and now you have to go ahead and open the mail. So click on open mail and you'll be receiving some sort of verification. So click on this and open up the login button, and as you can see that you've successfully logged into your Bitcoin wallet account. So by following the steps, you should be able to log in into your Bitcoin wallet account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.